Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and launching the update right away. Make sure your device has at least 20% battery and a stable Wi-Fi connection, because updates can stall on cellular. Once done, open the App Store or Play Store and search for Messenger. Tap Update when you see it. If automatic updates are disabled, enable them for Messenger in the store settings so future updates install without prompting. This step saves time and prevents version conflicts later. Once the update starts, observe the download and installation stages so you can react quickly. If progress stalls or shows a partial download, pause and resume, because most failures stem from unstable Wi-Fi. When Messenger asks for new permissions, grant only what the new features need: camera for video, microphone for calls, contacts for syncing, and understand why each is requested. If the install fails, clear app cache or free storage. Restart your device and attempt the update again to complete the process. You finish by validating the update and resolving any leftover issues. Open Messenger, confirm the version in Settings or About, and test messages, voice and video calls, and notifications to ensure everything functions. If something misbehaves, try signing out and back in, then reinstall the app to clear corrupted files. Make sure your device OS is updated. Mismatched OS and app versions can break features. If problems persist, check your App Store account region or contact support for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.